Great. You're gonna feel a nice little scoop here. We gotta get pretty deep. Oh, whoa. Damn, that was good. You have some rotation here. I see your pubic bone rotate to the left here, and then your hip dips down on the right. So then you get these postural imbalances. So your spine essentially is doing this, and then there's a lot of pressure coming down. Tony was telling me that you kind of like, you walk a little funny sometimes when you're in pain, right? Like a duck?
Like a duck.
Yeah. Good, I gotcha. I feel that. We're almost there. Ooh. That was clean.
Good.
That's good. You gotta go a little deeper. Oh, yep.
I heard it. Feels more relaxed.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, feels good.
You got a good walk now.
A big difference. I never had it crack as much. Like I went deep this time.
Good. Okay.
Thank you.
Glad you came in. Yeah.